So how are you coping with all the fame?
Certainly not out of the woods when it comes to that, but today it's going to be sunny and 28 in Sydney.
До 8 плюс 9 градусов. Стоять! Иди сюда!
Take a look at this.
Temperatures got Jasper at the -2 degree mark. -3. No.
You guys, God, stop it! Seriously, you gotta stop.
Stay dry through the weekend.
What in the world is that?
You see my dog in the background? He's trying to get he's got my personal protective equipment. Rudy.
No, not that. Support. We.
At some point, he got Benji.
Hold on.
He got Benji. Oh my goodness.
Is liability.
Well, it's interesting what kinds of things bring to mind.